Hi Dominic. How are you?
I am good. I am looking for a lot of women who have just got married.
Let me think. Oh yes, Jessica Alba is a wedding planner. She runs a big wedding event company in Damansara. I will send you her contacts through WhatsApp after our calls.
Thank you very much, Anthony. You are truly a master connector.
Hello.
Hi Anthony, do you by any chance know a logistics company or know someone who works in a logistics company? I want to ship some products to China.
Of course I know. I'm the master connector. One of the members in my business network, BNI Titan, is from a logistics company. His name is Jason Lai. I will share his contacts with you.
Thank you Master Connector.